Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. I am Risa Balano, 32 years old, single mother, and college graduate.
Alright, so do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, sir, madam. I worked for 6 years in Singapore in one employer.
Alright, so what are the duties and responsibilities to your finished job?
Sir, madam, I do household chores like cleaning, washing clothes, ironing clothes, cooking, and I took care 7 years old child by preparing her uniform, preparing her food, playing with her, and sometimes tutoring with her.
Alright, so what if you committed mistake and your employer scolds you? What will you do?
Sir, madam, I will apologize sincerely and promise not to do the same mistake again.
Alright, if it is your holiday or day off, what will you do before you go out from your employer's house?
Sir, madam, I do my duties before I leave the house and make sure the house is clean.
Okay, so what if the mother of your employer cannot speak English? How will you communicate with them?
Sir, madam, I will try my best to learn the basic language and try to communicate through my action.
Okay, so do you have last message to your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Hello, sir, madam. I hope you choose me as your helper. I am a responsible person, honest person, hardworking person. I promise to finish my 2 years contract. I want to go work abroad because I want to help my family.
Alright, thank you very much, Mrs. Balano. Hope to see you very soon and abroad.
Sir, madam, thank you.